Throughout this course, you will have need of the various sound effects which we have in our library. To make that process speedy when you require them, we're going to do a little bit of work in advance to bring all of those sound effects into iTunes so that you can search them and use them as necessary. So let's go ahead and begin that process. The first thing we're going to do is open up iTunes for the very first time. iTunes is in your dock, and it's the little musical note icon. Let's click it once, and the first time you open it, you're going to have to agree to the software license agreement. And then this is new to me, so this version of iTunes, so I'm just learning as we go here. It's asking if we want to share details about our library with Apple, etc. We'll just say no thanks, as that's not necessary. Okay, we now have the iTunes application loaded, and it's time for us to add some media into this. So let's click on Songs. Notice it's asking us to scan for media right now. We could do that. That can take some time. So rather than do that, we'll just go up to the hard drive icon, click it once. And when you load up the hard drive icon, you're going to see a folder called LCHS CD Images. Double click to open it. Inside of that folder is a folder called Network SFX. That's the sound effects library. You can click that once and drag it into the iTunes window, and the importing will begin. This is a process that will probably take several minutes. You need to let it complete, and once you do, your library will be searchable from within iTunes and various other software including GarageBand, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, etc.